Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the problem quickly. First, confirm the TV is on the correct network and has an IP address. That rules out basic connectivity issues. Once done, restart the TV and the router, unplug each for about 30 seconds, then relaunch the YouTube app to capture any error code or message. You do this because knowing the exact error shortens troubleshooting. A network fault looks different from an app crash, and that determines your next steps. Next, focus on software state. Check YouTube app version and TV firmware and install any updates, because outdated software often breaks streaming. If updates don't fix it, clear the app cache or data and force stop the app. This removes corrupted temporary files. Then sign out of YouTube and sign back in, or remove and re-add your account to refresh authentication tokens. These steps address common causes, mismatched versions, corrupted cache, or account token errors that stop playback or cause crashes. Finally, verify the fix and prepare for contingency. Cast a YouTube video from your phone or try another streaming app to confirm the issue is isolated to YouTube on the TV. If the app still fails, consider a factory reset as a last resort, but back up any settings or logins first. This reinstalls system software and clears deeper corruption. If problems persist, record error codes and test another device. That information is crucial when contacting manufacturer or YouTube.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.